Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. This one caught my eye. Couldn't really avoid seeing it, could I? It's a bit big. It's a FastLane Jeep Cherokee. Not sure if FastLane are still making cars. I had a quick look and I see adverts for Toys R Us for FastLane, so whether that's their brand. It's missing the battery pack, of course, and there's no transmitter to go with it. It actually says Easy Tech, symbol of quality, copyright Scientific Toys Limited. 27.145 megahertz. It's a fairly lumpy, solid looking thing. It's a reasonable size motor in there, probably can't see it. I might do a teardown later, but we'll just have a look at it. Yeah, FastLane, I knew I'd seen FastLane written on it somewhere. So we'll see if it works. I've got an adapter that I can plug into there and use, where are we? This is a nickel metal hydride battery, so it'll be about the same as NiCad. Stick that there. I just happen to have a 27 megahertz transmitter, it's only a little one. I think the transmitter buttons are a bit... yeah, I was beginning to think it wasn't working, but if I push it in the right place, it's fine. Slops around a bit there. That's this sort of suspension it's got, isn't it? Steering, yeah. That's slow, isn't it? Still, I'll stick that in place somehow, and then we'll give it a try. I've just strapped those batteries on for now, so let's have a look. Okay, wheel spin. The turning circle like. I bet we can't get it round in here. Oh, just. But not if I give it full power, because then it spins. Well, that's got to be a candidate for upgrading to at least hobby grade receiver. Yeah, £2.50 that cost me. The camera will see that. £2.50 in break charity. Yeah. Oh, not bad. Could be fun. Have to get some cameras on it. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's other channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.